Hi guys, say something, say something. I don't wanna caught up in the middle of it, and I can't hurt myself. No, I can't hurt myself. No, no, no. Caught up in the middle. Did I say something? Say something. No, no, no. Caught up in the middle. Okay, guys. Uh, I will try to be a little bit fast because my battery is low, and if I try to, because there is load shedding, if I try to charge it now, the Wi-Fi will switch off because my power bank is no longer that strong. Alright, so let us get to it. Unfortunately, this session is not going to be recorded. Those are the disadvantages of being in a free online class. So no, the reason why I'm not recording the session is because my battery is low. So if I record, it will consume so much power, and my PC will quickly shut down. So today it's day 9, and we are focusing on scaling revenue and exploring strategies. This one will be theory, guys, and most of the important classes, it was day 1 and day 3. Those were the most important classes, because remember, in the beginning, it's all about understanding what Google AdSense is, how it works, and how to get started. The other things are just to boost your knowledge about the good practices, etc., etc. So let us go to the main chapters, or the main key focus of Google of this chapter. We are going to look at improving ad placement and performance. Number 2, expanding your website to new niches. Number 3, exploring premium AdSense alternatives. This one by default, it's what everyone gets, this one. So let us start with the improvements of ad placement and performance, right? And before we do that, let me currently ask, how many of you have websites already? How many? Yes. So the first thing we will look at is improving ad placement and performance. So I will go to one of my websites here, and then my website, it's called, I want the one of Uni News, right? This one, Uni News. So as you can see, the screen size, it's like a tablet. So let us take it down so that it sort of looks like a mobile. So as you can see, there are no ads at the top. People can quickly find what they came here for, and when you scroll, there should be an ad here because it's taking a while to load. Okay, so let me refresh. there are no ads at the top. So the person, there is one at the top. Yes, this one is called an anchor ad. You can quickly click here and then it hides, and the content, it's clear, it's not disturbed. You see, people can scroll and look what they came here for. Here there should be an ad because it's taking a while to load. Then we continue scrolling. You can see that the user is not disturbed by too many ads. Also in here there should be an ad because it takes a while to load. Continue scrolling. Also in here there should be an ad. So what you are seeing here is content blending in with ads. And the way you should improve your ads, how they appear, things like that, because by default when you get approved, your ads are on auto ads, and also most of the ad formats are selected. So remember, we are now looking at improving ad placement and performance. So when you are in your Google AdSense dashboard, I'm making an example of another account. You will have to go to ads, and then the websites that are approved, they will be shown here, and then you click the pencil icon, edit, right? And in here, this is where you get to choose. This is where you turn on and off whether your ads should appear or they should not. And then in here you select the types of ads you want to have in your website. As you can see, I don't want the intent driven, that is why it's 0 of 1. I didn't select it here. And 2, I did overlay ads. It's only the one that appears at the top when the size, it's the mobile screen size. And these ones I did not select them. In page format, I only selected the banner, and I did not select the related search and the multiplex. So the reason why I did that is because I did not want to overwhelm my users with ads. So that is how you sort of improve the performance. If there is too many ads, your website is not optimized to cater for audiences. As you can see, because I'm in mobile, the auto ad at the top appears, but if I say desktop, it doesn't appear in a desktop. And also the reason why you don't see ads at the top is because I came here on the excluded areas. I came here and I said I don't want the ads to appear there, I don't want the ads to appear there. Also here, why should an ad appear here? Let me also take this one out. I don't want people to be welcomed by ads. No, I want them to see to be welcomed by how the website is structured. And then as you can see, this is, you can choose any place where you don't like ads. Also here, I don't like ads that are between the image and the title. So this is how you improve how ads show in your website. Also, let me take it out here. Yes, that is how you improve how ads should appear in your content, etc., etc. And then you will save. I will then say save. As you can see, my battery is very low. That means I need to be fast. And then that was the ad placement and performance. You need to strategically place ads in perfect places so that you don't overwhelm the users. And also when you go to reports and then you go to the ad formats, right, Google will tell you which ads are performing better. So as you saw in my dashboard, I only have 2 ads that are showing, the one at the top and the one inside. The one in the inside the content, it's the one that gets more clicks, 70%. The one at the top, 30%. So when you, at first, if you have all of them, You will then decide which one are not performing better, and then you turn them off. This is where you look at the data, and then you will go there on ads, and then you turn off the ones that perform that don't perform. Only ads that show are the ones that people are engaging with. And then moving on to expanding your website to new niches. This is very crucial, and many people they are doing this incorrectly. Like I always say, there are types of content that will never mix. You can't talk about the two in one website. Imagine, let's say I have a website, I talk about health, you see, and then I then hear people talking about saying, cars, it's a good niche, you get paid a lot. And then now I talk about health, now I talk about cars. It doesn't blend in. It doesn't blend in. So when you expand your content, make sure that it still blends in with your original content. Don't try to do things that don't match. For example, one of this website here, the Uni News, I talk about university news, right? So another thing that I can implement, it's maybe something about education, because already I'm talking about university news. So if I can talk about education, especially universities, it will blend in, because originally I was talking about university news. So it wouldn't chase my visitors away thinking, what I'm doing on the site. Everything is still going to blend in, right? So those are the tips to increase your... Am I still audible? Okay, I am. So those are the tips as to how you can expand your website to new niches. Make sure the new niche matches the original one. And then in here, exploring the premium AdSense alternatives. So this one, the reason why I consider this one as a premium one, it's because it makes it easy for you. So you go to your dashboard, you go to ads, you select the one you are interested in, and then you just turn on the auto ads. It's premium, it's very easy, you don't need to stress about a lot of things. And if you want to do the manual one, which is very hard, I forgot where it's done, but I think where do you do the manual ads? I think from here you go to buy site. Yes, you come here, buy it. And then from here, when you scroll to the says create an ad unit and see it here. So this is where you will create your own ad. You see, also Google has a recommendation that the most performing one is the display ad, and then you give the name for your unit. You see, and then here they are trying to show you how it will appear, right? And then you need to manually do all of these settings. You need to do all of these settings. It should be responsive so that every device, it appears well on every device. That is why you put responsive. But if you want to fix a fixed size, they will also ask you to put in the size here. So this one is very time consuming, but as you can see, this is how they tell you. See, the ad will appear like this. If it's vertical, it will also appear like this. You see, so this is the manual thingy. I normally don't tell people about this because it's confusing, and if you put the code in the wrong place, the ads are not going to show. So it's better to to do the auto ads, right? And then also those of you who are here, I want to talk about AdSense alternatives. So if AdSense by any means rejects you and you are like, you know what, I still want to make money online even if it's not Google AdSense that I'm working with, there are other alternatives that you can give a try. I will just name a few here. So these ones, normally they don't take a while to approve you. You apply now, in the next 10 minutes or 5 minutes the ads will appear in your website, right? So other alternatives that you can consider if Google AdSense rejects you, these are the list. Let me see if we still have time before I list those guys. Yes, it's our last point. So if Google AdSense rejects you, you can try AdSterra. AdSterra, their website looks like this. And while it is loading, so this is also AdSterra. You connect your website to it and you immediately start earning. This is AdSterra. Another one that you can try, it's called Money Tag, I think. Yes, it's this one. You have been seeing this one a lot these days. It's called Money Tag. This is another alternative. Another one that you can try, it's called Info. It's called Infolinks. It's this one. Another one that you can try, it's Ezoic, but Ezoic, they work closely with Google. So if you did not get approved with by Google, this one may not also approve you. So another AdSense alternative, it's Ezoic. It's also this one. There is plenty of other ad networks that I don't know. There is this one that tends to come to you directly. It is called Cleverly Ads. Is it Cleverly Ads or Clever Ads? I think they call themselves Clever Ads. They have the green logo. Okay, I don't see them here. And another one that I saw recently, I forgot their name, but the ones that I know, MediaVine. It's also an alternative, MediaVine. But some of these, they are strict with approving you. The ones that are very quick to approve you, it's AdSterra and MoneyTech. This one, they approve you instantly. But ones, Infolinks, Ezoic and MediaVine, these ones may take a while to approve you because they want to check if you have the right traffic, a lot of visitors and things like that. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I know by head. So there are a lot of ad networks, but for now this is the list in case Google AdSense rejects you. So thank you guys for being here, sacrificing your time. I know many people are having load shedding today, but you guys, you dedicated your time and you came here. So now I will let this session be for questions. Any questions that you guys may have, this is the time. Thank you. Okay, guys, the reason why I'm quiet is because I'm not seeing any comments, and I'll be ending the session 10 minutes to 9. 10 minutes to 9, the session will be ending. Yes. You can ask questions any. I'm willing to answer any question. Yes, I'm willing to answer any question. You can ask any. And my battery is very low, so anytime I may be disconnected. Yes, anytime I may be disconnected. All right. The